So as you can see ahead of us, that is the New Jersey Route 10 bridge. Kind of the destination or goal of this trip. I'm going to go a little bit by it. Probably been out for 2.5 to 3 hours already. I'm going to say 2.5 hours. We'll verify that according to pictures at one point. So this is Route 10. It's pretty busy up there. To the right is that Party City place, I believe. And right past Route 10 is Mount Pleasant. Water looks very still going through the bridge. Still, so far, no need to portage, not even close. Water shallow, calm. Weather's cloudier than expected, but temperature is absolutely perfect. Very comfortable. Got a nice roast beef sandwich at the Sorrento Bakery and Deli in East Hanover on Eagle Rock Avenue before the trip. Never been there before. So the word deli, figured it'd be nice to get something. And so I got the roast beef sandwich on a hard roll, mayonnaise and tomato, and they asked, hey, you want anything else? I was like, yeah, you know what, I'll have a croissant, which I did take, and the bill came to $5. I was flabbergasted. It's like the cheapest thing. And the roast beef looks store-made, homemade, and it's probably going to be pretty good. And the roll, made at a bakery, it's probably going to be pretty good also. It looked like a nice black-seeded hard roll. So as you can see, we just came under Route 10, heading away from it, under this nice arching branch. There it is. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, I haven't moved that much. And that is Mount Pleasant, right ahead of us. This is as far as I've ever been, right past this bridge. The one time Kathy and I came up all this way. She didn't make it this far though. So this is going to be new territory up this river. There's a little gap between this Mount Pleasant Avenue and South Orange Avenue that we have yet to do. So if I go ahead another 15-20 minutes, half hour, hopefully I can, I will embark on some new grounds, which is always nice. Going downstream, or at least be downstream, even though it means virtually nothing. So right here is the Mount Pleasant Bridge we are going under. Looks so much newer and nicer than that Route 10 bridge. So this is all new territory for me. Bee just landed on my kayak. I don't know if you could see it. There it is. Not very interesting. Hopefully it doesn't sting me. Here is the necessitated portage if I wanted to move on. But I've gone on for quite a bit. I know this is how far you could go here without turning around, which is good to know. I'm not going to walk around this. I'll turn around at some point. It's still a beautiful day. The sun should be at my back on the way back, so hopefully give me... These birds have been flying through these trees for the last like 15 minutes like this. Just hundreds of them. I'm sitting in a little cove right outside that blockage. Okay, as we leave that, we are heading over there. So this is the Mount Pleasant Bridge on our way home. And just behind it, you see Route 10, much busier route. Sunny and nice going through this. It's very shallow. Oh, just hit bottom. Should be paying attention instead of looking through the viewfinder, but in an attempt to get you a better shot, or actually probably just me, because I assume no one else sees these things, in an attempt to get me a better shot, I look through the viewfinder now instead of throughout the world. So anyway, I digress, and as we're heading here through the Route 10 area, there you go, you can see the bridge. I think I'm going right through the center. And then we have only that abandoned railroad bridge before we get off at the environmental center where we started off. So, it's going well. Good trip, good day off. It's great to be able to do something like this. It's pretty shallow through here. A lot of debris is collected. I had a feeling I'd get caught. A little scoot here and there should get me through this thing. So we scoot. Think I'm clear. Oh, that was fun. It's pretty scenic here, so I'll turn this off, take a couple shots, let you soak it up at this moment, and we'll be back a little later. Okay, it's almost 4 o'clock. I'm here at the environmental center. I have a couple minutes left to tape. I once tried to record my disembarkment, and I guess I'll try one more time today. See what happens. Yeah, the one time I did it, it was so unsuccessful. I ended up losing the camera in the water, the video camera. I think I'm going to ram this shore right here. So let's see what happens. Good luck. Got it this time. Almost forgot about the video camera again. Okay, I'm out. We are out. Another successful day on the river.